The pickle manufacturing industry in India boasts a long and storied history, deeply entrenched in the country's culinary heritage. Pickles, or achar as they are known locally, are an integral part of Indian cuisine, adding a burst of flavor and spice to meals. Historically, pickling was a method of preserving seasonal fruits and vegetables for consumption throughout the year. While modern refrigeration techniques have reduced the necessity for preservation, pickles continue to be enjoyed for their unique flavors and cultural significance. Pickles are now used as sides like dips. They consist of a blend of heavy spices to intensify the spice level and enhance the flavor of the meal. They're often served as accompaniments to main courses in restaurants, providing a burst of tanginess and heat that complements the flavors of the meal. They pair exceptionally well with staples like rice, roti, that is Indian bread, parathas, and dal, that is lentil curry. It overall enhances the dining experience. While it is potentially a billion-dollar industry worldwide, the pickle market size was valued at $10.9 billion in 2022 and is projected to reach $14.1 billion by 2030. That is, it is growing at a compounded annual growth rate of 3.3% from 2023 to 2030. The pickle industry contributes significantly to the overall food processing sector in India, which itself is a substantial contributor to the country's economy.